So you've just started a YouTube channel and you have had 0 visits. Hardly anything is more depressing than checking the analytics and seeing nobody has called by. So what do? The answer, as in any business, is feet through the door, and the way to do that is by advertising. Take, for example, a cookery channel demonstrating how to bake bread. Just showing how to bake a loaf won't make you stand out from all the other recipe sites offering the same advice. So let's dig deeper. Part of the recipe is add 3 cups of flour. That's fine for a recipe. But what is flour? Plain or self-raising? Wholemeal or organic? Maybe genetically modified? Where does flour come from? Where is it grown? How was flour first discovered and how has it evolved or developed? Is there a drought-resistant variety? Okay, enough. The point is that flour is a thing with a story. Now you're probably wondering why I listed all the above. And the reason is that each and almost certainly more can be made into a 20-second short, and people love shorts. Start making them, and post one a day. Give enough facts and over time people will come to see you as an expert. Once they do, they will be curious as to what more your channel has to offer. Give it a go. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. We hope you found this tip interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe, and happy baking.